morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Children, today we are going to continue with the Vyagrasana which we have done in our earlier classes and with the variation. So let's start. First, you can sit in any simple cross-leg position in which you are comfortable for the long time. Place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Keep your back straight, head erect. Close your eyes. One time, deep inhale and exhale. With a deep inhalation and exhalation, start 3 round Om chant. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Now, rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. Open your eyes. So let's start Vyagrasana with a variation. So you can sit in first Vajrasana.
Now stand on your knee. Make a gap between your both knee and thighs. Now lean forward and place your palm completely on the mat under the shoulder. Now stretch your right leg back. Bend your knee. Bring your toes towards the head. Look up. Then exhale, bend your knee down towards the head, move your neck also down. Continue same, inhale and exhale up to 10 round. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, look up, exhale, bring your knee towards your head down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Continue, create a movement in your spine, inhale and exhale. Stretch your leg completely. Bring your knee towards your head down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Continue. After completing a 10 round, place your both knee on the mat, your right knee on the mat. Now from the left side, same with the left. Exhale, down. Inhale, stretch your leg up. Inhale, bring your knees down towards the head. Inhale, up. Continue, make a movement in your spine. Stretch your leg up and down with the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale, up, look up. Exhale, look down. Bring your knee towards your head. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Same with the left leg, 10 round. After completing your 10 round, you can place your left knee on the mat. Then sit in Vajrasana and relax here for the few breath. Now the second variation of Vyagrasana with the balancing pose. So again, stand on your knee. Make a gap between your both knee and thighs. Again, lean forward and place your both palm completely on the mat. Now, stretch your right leg back and raise your right hand up and transfer your body weight on your left knee and on your left palm and hold this position up to few seconds with the normal breath. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now place your palm on the mat, bring your knee on the mat. Now from the other side, now stretch your left leg back. Now raise your left arm up. Look at any one particular point and hold this position for the few breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your palm on the mat, bring your knee on the mat. Now sit in Vajrasana and relax for the few breath. You can repeat this asana again. Now next variation, again stand on your knee, make a gap between your both knee and thighs. Place your palm completely on the mat. Now raise your right leg up, stretch your right leg back. Then raise your left arm up. Again look at any one particular point and hold this position with the normal breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly exhale. Place your palm on the mat. Bring your right knee on the mat. Now from the other side, stretch your left leg back and raise your right hand up. Look at any one particular point. Again hold this position for the few breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your palm on the mat. Bring your knee on the mat. Now sit in Vajrasana. Relax again for the few breathe. Now the next variation, again stand on your knee. Make a gap between your both knee and thighs. Now lean forward. Place your palm completely on the mat. Stretch your right leg back. Bend your knee. Now from right hand catch your ankle or you can catch your foot. Now stretch your right leg up and hold this position for the few breathe. Inhale and exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly bring your legs down. Knee on the mat. Bring your palm down on the mat. Now from the other side, stretch your left leg back. Bend your knee. Now catch your ankle or foot from your left hand. Again stretch your leg up. Bring your body weight on your right knee and right palm. Hold with the normal breathe. Stretch your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your knee down on the mat. Bring your palm down on the mat. Sit in Vajrasana and relax here for the few breath. You can repeat this asana again. This asana exercise and loosen the back by bending it alternately in both directions and tone the spinal nerves. It relaxes the sciatica nerves, releasing sciatica and loosen up the leg and hip joints and tone the lower abdominal organs. Now next we are going to do a pranayam, alternative breathing technique. So you can sit in any comfortable pose in which you are comfortable for the long time. Place your left hand in a Gyan Mudra. Make a Pranam Mudra from your right hand. Your index finger, middle finger, tip at the base of your thumb. Now close your right nostril with the thumb. Just remember 2 points. First, from where you are inhaling, from other side you have to exhale. So inhale from the left and exhale from the right, and from where you are exhaling, from the same side you have to inhale. So now inhale from the right. Now close your right nostril, exhale from the left. Now from the same side, inhale, close your left nostril and exhale from the right. Now again inhale from the right, exhale from the left, inhale from the left, exhale from the right, deep inhale from the right and long exhalation from the left nostril. Again deep inhale from the left, close your left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right and exhale from the left. Continue this process. Inhale and exhale. Your inhalation should be longer and deeper. Same ratio with the exhalation. Your exhalation should be also deeper and longer. Keep your back straight. Your awareness should be on your breath. Inhale, exhale alternately. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Then again inhale from the right and exhale from the left. Your inhalation and exhalation should be longer and deeper. After completing this round, place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Now normally inhale and exhale from your both nostril. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. Now open your eyes.